Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how you can use DialMyCalls to send and receive text messages with your church landline phone number. Does your church have a landline phone? With DialMyCalls, you can text enable your church's landline to add the ability to send and receive text messages. Alert your congregation members of upcoming services or prayer requests via text message while using the landline number they are familiar with. To get started, log into your DialMyCalls account and click on Other Services. From the drop-down menu, click Text Enable Landline. You will now be prompted to enter your landline phone number along with your first and last name. Please keep in mind that you can only text enable a landline phone number to use with DialMyCalls. You cannot enter a mobile phone number. Once you have submitted your landline number to be text enabled, our support team will receive an alert. They will then reach out for you to sign the documents needed, and we will notify you when your landline is ready to use for text messaging through DialMyCalls. Once your landline has been text enabled, you will see it listed under My Text Enabled Landlines. It is now time to get started with sending out text message broadcasts to your church congregation members. Click on New Broadcast at the top of your screen and then select Text and click on Next. DialMyCalls offers a robust contact management system that you can use to organize all of your church's contacts. You can even create contact groups such as church admin, congregation members, and volunteers. This lets you quickly and easily send out a text message to a specific group of contacts at once. Once you have selected the contacts that you'd like to send this text message to, click on Next. It is now time to type out the text message you'd like to send out. The first thing you will do is click on the phone number dropdown and select your newly text-enabled church landline phone number. Now you can go ahead and type out a personalized message to send out. Once you have completed typing out your message, click on Next. DialMyCalls gives you the ability to send your text message immediately, schedule it for a later date and time, or set up a recurring message that will go out weekly or monthly. Enter the broadcast name, which is strictly for your records and makes it easy to go view the report for specific broadcasts. For this text, we are going to select Send Now and then click on Next. Please review your text message broadcast to ensure all of the information is correct. Once you have reviewed your message, click on Send Broadcast Now to continue. That's it. You have just sent out a text message broadcast using your church's landline phone number. If you'd like to share your text message on social media, generate a unique link at the bottom of the page to do so. You can now view a detailed report by clicking Reports at the top of your screen. Click on Text next to the broadcast that you just sent out to view the detailed report. This will show you the status of each text message that was sent out. In addition to sending out text messages with your church's landline number, you can now also receive incoming text messages. From the home dashboard, click on Other Services and then click Two-Way Texting. Please keep in mind you will need to purchase two-way texting for $14.99 per month to activate this feature. In the two-way texting window, you will see any incoming replies that have been sent to your previous text message broadcasts. You can see here that the text that went out received a reply. You can quickly reply back right from within the two-way texting interface. Two-way texting lets you take your text-enabled landline number to another level by offering you the ability to view incoming text messages as well as sending out text message broadcasts. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to use DialMyCalls to send and receive text messages using your church's landline phone number. If you have any questions, please contact us toll-free at 800-928-2086 or send one of our account managers an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.